Meditation has the capacity to transform your life. It helps you to deal with unhappiness and anxiety and to resolve conflict. Through meditation, you will learn to pay better attention to your feelings, thoughts, perceptions, body, health, energy, and awareness. And meditation is for everyone, and you don't have to be an spiritual person or a monk. The benefits of meditation practice are lower your blood pressure, strengthen your immune systems, helps regulate your emotions, increase memory and focus, reduce level of stress and hormones, finding insight and wisdom, and exploring new spiritual experiences. And today I'm gonna share with you my meditation practice, and I hope you can follow along. So let's start with the practice. Step number 1. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. To get started, it doesn't matter whether you sit or lay down, as long as you're comfortable, but for this video I'll do it here on my yoga mat. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or on a chair in a stable position. Tuck in your chin slightly and make sure your back is straight. And try to get relaxed. Then, have the palms up, your hands face the sky to receive energy. Step number 2. Close your eyes and focus on becoming present in the moment. Listen to your body. Become mindful of any tension that you feel in here and what's going on in your surroundings. How does it feel to sit? Do you feel tension? Where are your thoughts? Step number 3. Focus on your breath as you take along. Experience the inhaled air coming up through your nose, going down to your throat and into your lungs. As you breathe in, notice the expansion of your body. As you breathe out, experience the settling down of your body. Your mind will wander, which is okay. Just try your best to be as focused as possible. Step number 4. Once you're focused, take notice of your body and how each body part feels. Start with the toes and work way up to your head. If your mind continues to wander, then bring your thoughts back to your breath. Breathe for 5 to 10 times with full concentration on each breath. Step number 5. Breathe in. And breathe out. As we gently come back to the breath, notice how the whole body expands on an inhalation and exhalation. And once you're ready, open your eyes and feel the positive energy around you. And thank ourselves for taking this time out of our day just to engage in our own practice for our health and well-being. Reach your hands up over your head and give your body a nice stretch. Bring your palms together and bring them down to your heart. Gently bow your head down towards your hands and heart. Maintain this meditation practice for 5 to 10 minutes to start and try it for longer periods. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you soon again. Namaste.